Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Thanks for being with us today. I would like to say that please subscribe and also comment if you have something to say. Today we're gonna see if we can fix the issue of last updated date showing different wrong dates and also showing wrong year, and the date is even older than the date I created this article. I created this article today, no, on the 15th, but now it says it was last updated on September 2013, 2019. It's gonna keep on also doing repeating and bringing some random dates, so I'm gonna try to do this. I was using, you go to your plugins, see if I can manage to do that. Go to dashboard and go to plugins, install plugins. We're gonna say new plugins. I wanna see if I can do that, and I say last. Yes, this is the plugin I was using. The mistake I made, I deleted it without deleting the data, so it still has the data in that, remembers everything, so it's in the database. I want to reinstall this plugin, then after I do what, I delete the plugin again using selecting this time all the data, so we see if that's gonna be fixed. But if it gets fixed, that's gonna be what we were our achievement. So now here's the plugin. We're gonna look into the plugin, which is called related. So we look for sticky what let me see. Yes, this is the plugin. So when we set up this enable post whatever, I did this. Yes, I did this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna save and put this, just make a couple of changes, simple changes. Then what I'm gonna do, tools, go to tools, check all, export, browse, import, whatever, leave that. I'm just scrolling in there, so I'm gonna go back to your plugins and delete that plugin and see if that will work for us. So what we do, we look for the plugin itself, and let me get it. Yes, you deactivate. After deactivation, then it should tell you something. I want to look. Yes, delete. If you delete, say, are you okay? Do you want to delete this? It's gonna say yes. If I say yes, it might delete and leave the data there. So I should go to settings, I'm sure, somewhere in settings, and let me see, not this. Okay, that's modified info. There's somewhere it says when you delete, you have to also to delete the data. Custom date. Leave this. Tools, check, uncheck all. Okay, we'll enable, disable, update options for all posts, pages and whatever. Okay, export the plugin settings to this site as Edge or what, leave that. So import the plugin settings from Edges and whatever, leave that. Warning, resetting will delete all custom options to the default database. Okay, of the, yes, let's do this. Okay, that's right. I've done a reset. After resetting, I don't think there's something like where you have to press. Okay, reset. We've resetted that. Macro options. Okay, show modified date in admin bar. Okay, everything is reset, and also notification here. Okay, all is done. Let me say save settings and stuff. Send notification to others, send what send email, select post, notify subscriber, whatever. Then schema, yes, disable schema markup. It says default mode, inline mode, disable markup, whatever, disable whatever, advanced. Okay, then we set template tags and stuff, all of these. We look into this. Then page, we say enable pages, front, whatever, all this. We go into this post, we're gonna say enable posts, front, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna, I think everything's right, fine here. So what are we gonna do? I'm gonna try to go back to the plugin. There's something I did before, and try to, let me see, please, where are you? Setting, deactivate. Okay, easily watch, possibly what short code and stuff. Okay, leave that, and I wanna say deactivate. When I deactivate, and I'm gonna see this date, we see should go out, and see the date is 14 March. No, let me see, 14 March 2020. Let me see, okay, 15 March. What date is this? 14 March. 14 March. Winston, what? Acknowledge that. Oh no, this is something else. So the date is gone, guys. So what you're gonna do, you reset the plugin to the default settings. So the only thing also I wanna do, I wanna delete it, because I did play with the settings which left those it left the database corrupted. So I'm trying to refresh the second time to see if we can see the date. There's no date. And also refresh again, there's no date. Okay, there's no date, the date is gone. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to delete the plugin. So what you're gonna do, okay, you see, so the trick is to reset the default what, the default plugin settings. Delete the plugin, reinstall the plugin, reset the default, then you're gonna do what, everything should be fine. So I'm done with that, and let me refresh. After refreshing, and then I'm gonna refresh again here, see if that happens again. It happens again. So what are we gonna do now? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back and reinstall the plugin, then we switch it off. Simply means we're gonna find a way, but the plugin should be in for now. That's the only trick we can do for now. We're gonna look for that plugin again and reinstall it and deactivate it, so the dates won't show. Yeah, so look for that, install it again, okay, activate it again. Okay, I'm gonna activate it. So yes, it says, are you sure you wanna exciting makes not really? Okay, let's modified plugin, click here to configure. Okay, we click there. So after clicking there, enable custom post types and stuff. Okay, plugin settings, it left that uncheck all. This will enable or disable update options or all post pages or CP automatically. Okay, this export settings, plugin should set what this as JSON whatever. Okay, warning, this I'm going to reset this. After resetting, then I'm gonna do what, because there's somewhere, let's modify this small tool that show. Okay, there's somewhere I clicked last time whereby it asked me that do you want to save also the what, do you want also to save the database stuff if you delete? I said no. I don't remember why, but it doesn't show that. So what I have to do is to put in the plugin again, then deactivate it. When I deactivate it, I activate and deactivate the what, time and modify. Okay, then your dates are not going to show. Okay, these are the setups for the plugin. I wouldn't have been okay to use this plugin, but it shows different dates randomly, and also it shows the dates which are not older than what the date you even created your post. So I don't know why it does like this, but what I have a problem with that, so that's why I did what, deactivate it. So let me go to plugins again. So it simply means I'm gonna leave this plugin in without deleting it, but it has to be deactivated so that it doesn't show the pages. But the time I do delete it, what's gonna happen is gonna still show the dates until when we find the real solutions. So I'm gonna say deactivate. So I've deactivated it. So when I go here, and the dates still here, but they're gonna go, I'm sure, based on my stuff. Deactivate. You see the dates are gone after deactivating the plugin. So I hope this helps, guys. But sometimes if you do that, delete it, reset, then deactivate it, then you can delete it, then you wait for 24 hours. You see if everything doesn't come back, it doesn't work well, bring the reinstall the plugin. After reinstalling the plugin, then activate it. After activating it, reset the settings. After settings, then deactivate it. Then you keep your website a little bit clean like that, so until when you will find some solution. Guys, please, thanks for watching, and if I made some mistakes, please correct me in the comment box below. And also, if you have something to say or to teach us, please do comment in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.